choose right is what? A skill, a fundamental skill, and you must imbibe it if you want to be successful in an essay. Secondly, we are going to be treating what? Focusing on the right essay topic. Welcome back. So now, I said what? Focusing on the right essay topic. After you might have successfully chosen an essay topic, the next step in mind is to do what? Focus on the topic you've chosen. That determines your success on the essay. So here are what? Some tasks which you have to ask yourself as an individual before you are able to what? You are able to write an essay topic. First of all, you ask yourself, what are you asked to do? What are you asked to do? This is a what? A question for thoughts. And indeed, you ask yourself, what am I asked to do in this essay topic? Before answering an essay topic, by the time you know what you've been asked to do, then you check for what the clues given in the topic. Let's take, for example, the essay topic says what? Enumerate the importance, advantages and disadvantages. Okay. So can you pause it back? But you should think of what the clues given in the topic. Let's take, for example, the question says enumerate the advantages and disadvantages of information and communication technology. Now, how do you know the clues? The first thing you have to do is to do what? To enumerate. And to enumerate means what? To list and what? Explain. And what are you enumerating? First of all, you enumerate what? The advantages. By the time you are done with the advantages, you come and what? Enumerate the disadvantages. And all these advantages and disadvantages are all of what? The ICT, which is known as what? Information and communication technology. That is what? Knowing what? The clues. Now, by the time you've gotten the clues, think and reflect on what you've seen or experienced about the topic you've chosen. Now, let's assume the topic I chose was information and communication technology. And I want to think and reflect on what I've seen. My father has what? A laptop at home. When I go to school, in the e-library, I have people with library with the laptops, the computers, browsing, and I've been to cafes. And all these things are all what? Technologies. And I've seen how information are being passed from one center to what? Another. For the these informations are for the essence of what? Communication. So you think of what you might have seen before or what you've experienced about what? The ICT or about the topic you've chosen. By the time you've been able to do that, the next task is what? Think and reflect on what you've read. You might have read articles, you might have read books, you might have read literatures, hearing things about what? The ICT. Now you think and reflect on those things you've known or those things you've read about what? The ICT. By the time you've done that, you now think of what you've heard. What you heard from other people, maybe people talking carelessly, they've talked about ICT, its dangerous parts, its dangerous side, and its important side. You think of all those things, what you've heard. By the time you think of what you've heard, then you also think and reflect on what you can imagine about the topic you've chosen.